In this video, we will learn how to become auto electricians. Reason is there are loads of electric cars these days and all the companies are looking for some people who got real good skills in electrical cars. So how to do this course, which courses we need to do, we'll learn in this. So for example, this job is on Indeed and they're paying for 35 to 45,000 pound permanent full time. Because these jobs are so in demand, you may also be able to get the visa sponsorship. Next one, for example, master vehicle technician, Audi, BMW, Porsche. So this is the company, Gold Star Chefs, and they're looking for 36 to 42,000 pound salary, and they're also providing sponsorship. So it clearly states UKVI skilled worker visa sponsorship available 5 days a week, and it's in the region of Glasgow. So if you can repair, if you know about the electrical cars, that will be good. Let's learn which course you need to do. So you need to do level 3 technical specialist in electrical hybrid vehicle system repair maintenance. So this course is being offered by the pro-techacademy.co.uk. This is the website. They are charging £595. The course will be for 2 days and you can do this course. So this is just an example and you can go on their website and you can read this as well. Who is this for? So if you are qualified, you have done a little bit, you got some knowledge about the electrical cars, then you can jump on level 3. If you don't, then you can jump on level 2 as well. Next one, extra college, IMI level 3 award hybrid electrical vehicle system repair and replacement. So they also offering this course. The course is part-time and you can do this course, for example, Thursday and Friday. The course fees will be £650. It will be 9 to 5 p.m. So on their website, you can note this email address, and on their website, you can get all the details as well. They also provide you different electrical and electronics technicians, electrical engineering, so all these courses as well. Next one is Gateshead College. So this one is also another one where if we go down over here, it says vehicle maintenance and repair including EV and hybrid level 3. So this is also another course. They didn't disclose the fees, but you can get the details from their own website or when you approach them. Now let's assume you don't have any knowledge and you never done this. So go in the courses section. At the bottom you have the electric hybrid courses. Click on that. You will be able to see level 1, level 2, level 3 and different courses. Now why we need to start with bottom level? Because it's always better to start from scratch if you don't have the knowledge, but you have some skills, something which really want you to do. Reason, this is the next 2030, because by that time every car on road will be electrical and we really need people with skills. So level 1, award in electric hybrid vehicle awareness. This will explain you get up to speed on EV hybrid technology with essential introduction. Level 2 will explain you a little bit more. Level 2 also got emergency and recovery personnel. Level 3 is where you start learning good, because this is when you get into practical. Level 4, award in diagnosis, testing and repairing of electric hybrid vehicles and components. So for example, changing a battery or changing the wiring, etc. These courses will be the only way you can get to that job. If you have come to my channel first time, don't forget to subscribe. I have also created loads of videos on different ideas that what you can do and how you can get these jobs.